In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add pages to Squarespace. Whether you're setting up a new site or expanding an existing one, this process will help you effortlessly organize and present your content. Let's get started. First, begin by navigating to your Squarespace homepage. You'll want to make sure you're logged in, as that's your starting point for making any edits to your site. Squarespace offers a user-friendly interface, and accessing your homepage is the first step in harnessing these tools effectively. Once you're on the home page, look for the Website option and give it a click. It's typically located on the main control panel. This takes you to the central area where you can manage your site's layout, pages, and other essential features. Clicking Website effectively sets the stage for you to customize your site. Next, within the Website section, locate and click on Pages. The Pages section is your workspace for adjusting site navigation and structure. Here you can view all active pages on your site, as well as those that are in progress. It's a straightforward way to keep your website organized and ensure your visitors can easily find what they're looking for. And now you're ready to actually add a new page. Simply look for the Add button and click on it. Doing so provides you with options for the type of page you'd like to create. The idea is to expand your site's functionality by including all necessary pages, such as a blog, portfolio, or even a contact page. For this instruction, we're going to focus on adding a blank page. After clicking Add, locate the blank page option and select it. This path is perfect if you want a clean slate to build from, ensuring your page is tailored to your unique requirements, without any preset templates or layouts restricting your vision. When the blank page opens, it's time to name your page. The page name is an important identifier, not just for you but also for your visitors. Clear, descriptive names enhance the site's usability and streamline navigation. To name your page, simply type the desired title into the provided field. Consider what the page will contain and how it fits into the overall structure of your site. Choose a name that accurately represents its content and purpose. And there you have it. You've successfully added a new page to your Squarespace site. From this fresh canvas, you can now add text, images, and other content blocks to suit your needs. Remember, whether you're showcasing your portfolio or providing information about your services, each page should further your site's goals and enhance the user experience. Thank you for watching this tutorial on adding pages to Squarespace. With these steps, you can efficiently expand your site's content, ensuring a more vibrant and comprehensive online presence. Happy building!